cream! Who wants ice cream? It's so sweet and cold. But not everyone likes ice cream as much as Alex does. Justin doesn't have time for that right now. He's catching waves. Julia didn't come to the beach to eat either. Pretty ice cream for a pretty girl. I'm on a diet. Aw, today's sales are not good. It's time. I'm coming way. Ouch, that hurts. Dude, are you okay? I tripped on something. Over there. Wow, look, it's shining like gold. Let's start digging. We need to get to the bottom of this. There it is. It's treasure. Give it to me. No, give it to me. I was the one who tripped. Boys, don't argue. I'll take it. How many surfboards can I buy now? I'll get a whole mountain of designer clothes. Or even open my own ice cream store. Being rich must be amazing. Look at that. There's enough gold for everyone. Let's divide everything equally and go our separate ways. What? At least that's fair. That's what they'll do. And now you can go and spend your share. Where's the nearest clothing store? Ouch! My gold disappeared. Boys, I'm in trouble. But Justin and Alex are having the same problem. I think I know what's going on here. Alex, take some coins and walk away from us, and the gold turns to sand again. Alex, come back here. This must be magic. There's the money right in my hands. So, these lucky people need to stick together. Okay, it's more fun to spend money with friends. Where should we go? Let's change outfits. Where are the shows around here? Want some ice cream? Hello, everyone. Let the VIPs through. They'll be watching from the front row. Nice! And let's start our show. I am so excited. Oh, wow! You can't find things like this in a regular store. Alex got a little carried away. Oops, that's not me. That's ice cream. Look at that. So bold and brash. This is going to be a fashion trend. The designer doesn't agree with it, but she'll have to accept it. Men's clothing is next. That's what I want. I need it. And the show is over now. Give our models a round of applause. Boys, hurry up! We're going to have to splurge! Hey, ladies! We'll take the whole collection! Spare no expense! I took care of it! It's all ours now! Ready to try on your new look? Let's go! The models don't have pretty clothes anymore, but they have gold! That's fair enough! Look at us! We're beautiful! Justin doesn't like the outfits, though. He's not into luxury. Although, there it is! I want that suit! Are you sure? It looks a little basic, but old habits die hard. Go ahead and change. What do you think? Isn't it cool? Now I like it! Guys, what do we do next? Walking is so exhausting. Boy, I'm tired. Hey, remember we're rich? Let's buy a car. That's not a bad idea. Get your phone. No, we can take selfies later. Oh yeah, sorry, old habit. Hello, is this the car store? We want the prettiest, tiniest car you've got. Don't listen to her. We want a big, powerful car. And it has to hold a mountain of ice cream. When you have plenty of money, your wishes come true in a second. No walking from now on. Who's driving today? No, I can't drive. Me neither. Neither can I. Oh, we need a personal driver. Here comes the first candidate. Ma'am, can you drive? Yeah. Why? Will you drive us? We'll pay you. Money? Not interested. What about ice cream? Now that's a good suggestion. Where to? Towards adventure. Hey, wait. Where's Justin? Guys, I have a better idea. Start it up. Classic Justin. All right, let him have his fun. No more comfort. Let's get extreme. But it's more comfortable inside, right? The car will take you to your destination in a minute. Here we are. This is your stop. Stay safe. Bye-bye. Thanks for the ride. Hey, guys, that's our car. Okay, we'll have to buy a new one. Justin, Julia, I have a treat for you. Are you ready? Open your eyes. Help yourself. It's on me. Yeah, Alex, that's such a surprise. But let's not be mean to him, right? He tried so hard. And look what I bought for myself. Yummy. That's not fair, Alex. I want one too. And I'm starving. I could use some lunch too. Hey, where are you going? agree, but it's kind of sad here. Oh, poor thing. I wonder why he's crying. Hey, sir, we want some lunch. Yes, have a seat. I'm the manager and the waiter. Well, you're not really acting polite. Okay, I'll take care of myself. Here's the menu. What would you like? I'll have the lasagna. I'm sorry, we don't have that. Pasta with mussels? Also no. That's weird. We don't have any fancy dishes anymore. We are broke. Please, don't cry, sir. Bring us what you have. You got it. I feel so bad for him, but we'll save our pity for later. Time to eat. Here's your lunch. It doesn't look good, and it tastes even worse. I think I'll have some ice cream. Julia, we should help this guy. Alex, where's our trunk? It's all yours, sir. We're buying your place. Thank you for taking this mess off my hands. And to make you happy, here's an ice cream cone. Bye-bye. Let's get started, guys. It's all up to us now. How about opening a sea-themed restaurant? When you have money, any dream can become a reality. Here come the first guests. They seem to like everything. What do you say we throw a beach party? The business is going to take off. How do you walk past a beauty salon when you have plenty of money? Julia is finally doing her favorite thing. Alex, this is going to take a while. Let's stay out of the way. Powder here and a touch-up there. It won't be long before Julia is shining, but the boys are bored. Alex, try this. It's fun. Hey, give it up. It's my turn. Get out of here. Out of the way. There's beauty magic going on here. Look at that. I love it. I look great in gold. Boys, what do you think? Oh, wow, that's awesome. We want that too. Then let's go. There's plenty of work to be done here. Real pros can handle this. You're looking good, man. You look good too. High five. Yeah. Julia, we're ready. Boys, I don't recognize you anymore. They look like they just stepped off the catwalk. Why don't we sit down and rest? There are some benches over there, but all the seats are taken. They are nice. What's up, gorgeous? Hey, guys, but Julia's not getting any attention tonight. Justin, I have a bad feeling about this. Run! Hey, boys, what about me? Rich people only go to VIP beaches. Oh, Julia shouldn't have worn these high heels. Whatever. Wow, did you see that? That's a treasure. Boys, here I am. You call this a VIP beach? Why are there so many people? Don't panic, we're still rich. We can afford our own private beach. Anything for the VIPs, even private security. Settle in and enjoy your day. The sun is warmer when you're rich. Julia, sunscreen for me, please. People say gold is the best protection against the sun. Guys, I'm going for a swim. Just a minute, sir. VIPs should only walk on the red carpet. That's not a bad idea. My feet will be clean. Guys, come this way. The water's great. Maybe we should go for a swim after all. The red carpet's waiting. Oh my gosh, it's cool! Oh, let's go back to our beach chairs. You were so sensitive. Look, Justin doesn't care how cold the water is. He's loving it. Oops, I got distracted. I'll make it up. And now we can get some sun. Excuse me, but your time is up. We want to buy more time. Give me the chest. But unfortunately, it's empty. I'll have to pay with all my jewels. I'm sad to say goodbye. How did we manage to spend it all so quickly? We should have saved some. But no matter what, it was a great adventure. And now we have something even more priceless than gold. Our friendship. Did you like our video about buried treasure? What would you do if you found treasure on the beach? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell. Don't miss the funniest sketches about friendship on Troom Select.